Hello friends, I welcome you all to this online course of Theory of Machines 1. So today we are going to discuss instantaneous center method, which is also known as ICR. So it is one of the method used to study motion of the mechanisms, right? So first of all, let us see what is instantaneous center. For that, consider this link AB. This is initial position and this is final position of this link. So which are the motions takes place here? See, link AB. So first it is translated and then it is rotated, or vice versa. First it is rotated and translated. Means there are two motions involved here. One is translation and rotation. But when you see it in motion, you observe that this link is only rotating. Means there is only pure rotation of this link, right? So as it is rotating, there might be some center about which this link is rotating. Suppose this capital I center shown here is a rotation of this link. So such center is known as instantaneous center of this link, right? So can we define it as any displacement of a rigid body having motion in a plane, as we are considering planar mechanisms only, can be considered as pure rotational motion of a rigid body about some center, which is known as instantaneous center or a virtual center of rotation. So it is virtual center. So how to locate this instantaneous center? See some of the examples. So in some first example, there are two links joined at a point. There is a turning pair, right? It is a turning pair. So in this case, instantaneous center is located at their joint. So it is located as or shown as I12. See second case, it is a rolling pair where roller 2 is rolling on fixed link 1. So in this case, instantaneous center is at its point of contact. So I12. See third case, one slider is sliding. So it is sliding horizontally on this flat surface 1. So its instantaneous center. See, circle center is here. If we will open this circle and make it straight line, its center will be at infinity. So it's, see, this combination or pair is having instantaneous center at infinity. So I'll show it at I12 at infinity. So these are most important cases of how to show instantaneous centers. There is one formula, capital N is equal to small n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where capital N is number of instantaneous centers in a given mechanism. Small n is number of links in a given mechanism. Suppose there is a 4-bar mechanism, right? So links are 4. In this case, how many instantaneous centers will be there? See, 4 into 4 minus 1, that is 3 divided by 2. So it is 6. So for 4-bar mechanism, there will be 6 instantaneous centers, right? So this is how instantaneous centers are calculated in a given mechanism. So there are different methods to show or locate instantaneous centers, and different types of instantaneous centers are there. So that part we will see in next lecture. So thank you for watching.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.